Ever feel like you've been staring at the screen for way too long? The constant exposure to computer screens can leave us feeling drained and fatigued. It's not just the mental strain. The blue light and radiation from screens can have a significant impact on our overall health. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to whip up some easy DIY herbal remedies to combat computer radiation. These natural solutions can help mitigate the effects and rejuvenate your body. Let's dive right in and explore the wonderful world of herbal medicine. First, let's talk about barberry. This plant has been used for centuries in traditional medicine for its numerous health benefits. Barberry is known for its potent antioxidant properties, which can help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. To start, grab some dried barberry root. This root is packed with beneficial compounds that can support your health. You'll need about a tablespoon. This amount is perfect for making a single serving of our herbal infusion. Boil it in 2 cups of water for 10 minutes. The heat will help extract the beneficial compounds from the root. Strain, let it cool, and you've got yourself a refreshing infusion to sip throughout the day. This drink is not only tasty, but also incredibly beneficial for your health. This can help neutralize free radicals in your body, reducing oxidative stress. Next up, Burdock Root. Burdock is fantastic for detoxifying the blood. It has been used in various cultures for its cleansing properties. Take a teaspoon of dried burdock root and blend it into a smoothie. This is a simple way to incorporate its benefits into your daily routine. Combine it with some fruits and veggies of your choice. The natural sweetness of the fruits will complement the earthy flavor of the burdock root. This daily detox drink can help your body deal with any radiation exposure. It's a delicious and nutritious way to support your health. Now let's move on to dandelion root. This humble plant is a powerhouse when it comes to liver detoxification. Dandelion root is great for liver detoxification. It helps your liver filter out toxins more efficiently. Grab some dried dandelion root, about a teaspoon, and add it to a cup of boiling water. This will create a potent herbal tea. Let it steep for 10 minutes. This allows the water to absorb all the beneficial compounds from the root. Drink this tea once a day to give your liver a boost in filtering out toxins. It's a simple yet effective way to support your body's natural detox processes. For a more potent remedy, consider making a tincture with these herbs. Tinctures are concentrated herbal extracts that are easy to use and store. Fill a mason jar halfway with dried barberry, burdock, and dandelion root. This combination will create a powerful blend. Cover the herbs with vodka or apple cider vinegar. The alcohol or vinegar will extract the beneficial compounds from the herbs. Seal the jar and store it in a cool, dark place for 6 weeks, shaking it daily. This process ensures that the herbs are fully infused. After 6 weeks, strain the liquid, and you've got a powerful herbal tincture. This tincture can be used as a daily supplement. Take a dropperful in water once a day. This small amount is enough to provide significant health benefits. And remember, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new remedy. It's important to ensure that these remedies are right for you. That's it for today. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Your support helps us create more content like this. Stay healthy, stay happy. Thanks for watching. See you next time.